Guys, remember my past video where I put glowing metal ball on a huge candle? Today I decided to see what would happen if I pour molten copper on such a huge candle. So let's find it out together. But as usual, I'll ask you, how do you think how many attempts will it take for molten copper to go through the entire candle? 1, 2 or 3, as it was with that glowing ball. So I'm putting on my protection and let's start. Worrying a little. Oh man, have you seen that? Holy, have you seen that fire? Didn't know that ordinary candle can burn so much. It was so lit. Even had to pour some water to stop that fire. And look at this smoke. The candle is so cool that it vapes. But I still have a little copper in my melting furnace. So the second attempt. Ready? Let's do it. Yes guys, I did it and it was very cool, especially in slow motion. Look at copper, it seems it has grown a leg or so. Let's see what's inside. For some reason very satisfied with this video. Do you like it? Do you want more experiments with molten copper? Then hit that thumbs up button to show it to me. And as usual, we'll show in my next videos the most crazy unusual ideas for my next experiments, so be sure to share your thoughts. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.